In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Airbnb payouts in QuickBooks Online. When you run a short-term rental, Airbnb sends you payouts that already have their service fees taken out. What lands in your bank is the net amount, but for good bookkeeping, you want to show both the total income you earned and the fees you paid. That's exactly what we're going to set up in QuickBooks Online, so your reports are accurate and easy to understand. First, start by waiting until the Airbnb payout actually hits your primary bank account. You'll usually see a deposit in your bank for the net amount, meaning the total guest payment minus Airbnb's fees. Once that deposit appears in your bank feed, you're ready to record it properly in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus new button at the top and choose Bank Deposit. In some cases, if you're working from the banking screen, you might instead choose to match the transaction that's already in your bank feed. The idea is the same. You're telling QuickBooks what makes up that deposit. Next, make sure the correct checking account is selected at the top of the bank deposit screen. This should be the same bank account where your Airbnb payout was deposited. If you pick the wrong account, your reconciliation will be off, so it's worth double-checking. Now, in the deposit details section, you're going to use two lines to break out the payout. On the first line, select your short-term rental income account. This might be called something like STR rental income. In the amount column, enter the full gross amount of the rental payout. That means the total guest payment, including rent and any cleaning fees, before Airbnb takes anything out. This is what you actually earned from the booking. On the second line, select your Airbnb fees expense account. This is the account you use to track the platform fees you pay to Airbnb. In the amount field, enter the Airbnb fee as a negative number. By entering it as a negative, you're telling QuickBooks that this is an expense that reduces the total deposit. Once you've entered both lines, look at the total at the bottom of the bank deposit screen. The total deposit amount should now match exactly the net amount that was deposited into your bank account from Airbnb. When everything looks right, click Save to record the deposit. You've now accurately captured both your short-term rental income and your Airbnb fees in QuickBooks Online while still matching your bank activity.